Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn on automatically update your Mac. So for doing this you just need to go to system preferences. After you need to open software update, and now you just need to turn on this option here. You can see it automatically keep my Mac up to date. So just turn on here. Now just write your password. Just tap on advanced, and now you can see all the options you choose. So here you can see check for updates, download new updates when available, install macOS updates, install app updates from the App Store, install system data files and security updates. So now it will automatically update your Mac. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.